Welcome everyone, here's another fascinating Biorhythm kit. Now, these are very popular. This was from 1978, and this shows a Biorhythm sports predicting system, stats. Very interesting. And this is something that was mass marketed. It just shows you how big Biorhythms was back then, and something that was mass marketed. A great gift for the Monday morning quarterback. Crack fun for everyone, as stats helps you predict this year's pro games before they're played. Every major league sport. Enjoy Major League Sports in a new and better way by knowing the winner before he wins. A full color. What it contains: 4 full color tabulating charts. We'll show you that one. Roster book with rosters for over 100 teams, birth dates for more than 3,500 pro football, basketball, baseball, tennis, and hockey stars. 1 pad of data sheets, 1 scratch pad, 1 instruction book. And again, this is Ashburn Industries. So, certainly we can see here what kind of how popular everything was. Let's see what we can hit here. 1979. Said I like to show people everything as a kind of a record, because you're not going to see these things anywhere else. Nobody has done what I've done here and collected these things. They are out and about. I mean, you can get these things. I mean, it's not like they're super rare, but they're not easy to find either. So, but here's your Biorhythm system here, that the booklet here. It goes into all of it, a few words about biorhythms, the physical, the emotional, summary, setup and computing of biorhythms. Now, there's an awful lot of books on biorhythm. This is just kind of showing it, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail here. Comparing team averages and predicting a winner, critical days, all the things that go in there. And of course, it talks about biorhythms in general. Here's the little pad you get. Here's the sheet for getting on their mailing list. Now here's the stats of these 3,500 players. Of course, all this is out of date. I guess you could historically get something like this and predict the games, then go back and see who won. I mean, that could tell you how valid it is. Now, you can get biorhythms right on the internet, everything figured out for you. Here's the nice charts they have. These are heavy cards, tabulating charts. They have 2 sides. Here's 3. There's 4. And here's a big pad of data sheets. This is where you record everything down for the players and see exactly, come up with who you think's going to win. So, all of this showed to be very accurate, and it's certainly a way of testing, how is someone doing? And generally, once they've done this with players, they found that players that have high biorhythms in the physical and mental perform very well. So, this is another little edge you get in life. I don't know if there's anything that's guaranteed in life. And of course, there's always the make and the edge reality that I talk about. That, most everything is an edge. Very few things make you do things. You can't make somebody win at gambling. But you can give them a great edge. You can win more often. And of course, that edge adds up to an awful lot in your pocket. So here's another exciting game from 1979. And this kind of fell out of favor, even though it's still used, from what I understand, Japan still uses it. It was used by a lot of businesses for a while, particularly insurance companies, because it helped that. And, if someone's in a high-stress, dangerous job, pilot, bus driver, this could be very helpful. And as usual with all these things, you've got people that come in that don't want this information out. So what they do is say they tried it and it didn't work in terms of some companies. I mean, this is with everything in life. It works, it doesn't work. Well, as I said, go online, figure out, you can have your biorhythms personally done, track them for a while, and see how they are. I mean, it's very simple to do, and as I said, they have these online for free. So you can actually do that and keep a record. How is that happening? Are you going to be doing something major? Are you going to be investing, doing gambling, going and getting a job, traveling? Well, what are your biorhythms? And, you know, the key is that you're dependent on somebody else. What is their biorhythms, if you can find that out? But, you know, you need to know their birth date, so this is difficult. So this is another fascinating tool. We have several others of these that we've shown, and this is here yet another. Stay tuned. Make sure if you like this, you like it. You subscribe. Check for any links down below. We may have similar products or even this product itself, a link to it where you can purchase it. And always remember that we have all sorts of tools that will assist you at our website. So check those out. Check for links. And stay tuned. We have lots more to come. And make sure that you actually check out the other similar items like this.